Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. We're gonna do a cocktail. Yeah, we're gonna do a cocktail. Here's what's going on. My friend over at My Drinking Buddy challenged me to build your own Manhattan. Hey man, I like a Manhattan. You like a Manhattan, Trenton?
Love a Manhattan.
Babe, do you like a Manhattan?
Absolutely.
Yes, she does. So, I'm in. I am in. So, what I want to do for you, though, for those of you that may have never seen my traditional Manhattan and the way I make it, I'm going to do that for you real quick. And then I'm going to follow up and I'm going to make you my own version. Kind of thinking outside the box. Build your own Manhattan. So, that's what we're going to do today. Let's get started right away. We don't have time to waste, do we, Trenton? No. Let's get her done. I love these bitters here. Bitter Cube, Cherry Bark, Vanilla. Love these in a Manhattan. I usually put 3 dashes because I like them. Now, with my standard Manhattan, I always put a little bit of sugar in it. A little bit of fat goes a long ways in this cocktail. And I only need a touch. I got a half a teaspoon. Now what I have here is gum syrup. So, good enough. Half a teaspoon of simple syrup's good too. Just fine. I had gum syrup. All right, we're getting into the main components of the Manhattan. Me personally, I like Cochi di Torino, but you can pour the sweet vermouth of your choice. We'll be using 3/4 of an ounce sweet vermouth. All right. Now, I like my Manhattans with rye whiskey. On top of that, I like my Manhattans with what, Trenton?
I don't know what you're trying to say. Willet?
Willet rye whiskey. That's what I like them with. I just love a Manhattan with Willet rye whiskey. The proof point's excellent. It's just there's something about it. I love it. Now, of course, you can make your Manhattan with the rye whiskey of your choice. The only thing I would suggest is try to choose one that's 100 proof or more. Just a suggestion. So, I'm going to use this Willet rye, Family Estate rye. I'm going to pour in 2.5 ounces. So, it's a little bit more rye forward, whiskey forward than most Manhattans. That's the way I like them. All right, that's all the components of our standard SLB Manhattan. We'll get a little ice in the mixing glass and we'll give it a stir. Give it a nice stir until the glass gets nice and cold. Right on the bottom. All right, that's nice and cold. For sake of time, I already put a Luxardo cherry on the bottom of a coupe glass. Just give it a pour. That's it. That is my preferred traditional Manhattan. Oh, that's so good. Really, really nice. I love that rye whiskey. Has a real nice bite to it. That bitter is there, that bitter cube is dynamite. Cherry bark vanilla, just dynamite. Lends a really nice vanilla note to it in there. Just really, really nice. All right, we're going to move this to the side, Trenton, real quick. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the simple syrup because on the next one, I'm going to include a couple different bottles. So I'm going to keep the cherry bark vanilla bitters. I'm going to add an Amaro, and I'm going to add a liqueur. So because I'm adding a liqueur, the sweetness of that liqueur kind of make up for the simple syrup in this particular cocktail. All right, Trenton, I don't have a name for this one. So if you want to think of a name, fantastic.
I'm terrible with names.
Yeah, where's Michelle when we need her? All right, same amount of bitters. I'm just going to put 3 dashes of our Bitter Cube bitters. Now, I'm using Averna Amaro. And you're going to need a 1/2 ounce of Averna Amaro. All right. Now, once you're done with that, I I have St. George Spiced Pear Liqueur. This stuff is really, really good. It's one of Trenton's favorite liqueurs. Another half an ounce.
I have 4 at home.
You do?
Yeah.
You have 4 of these at home?
Yeah, I didn't know if I was ever going to find it again, so I stocked up.
Wow. All right. They last a while, dude. It's a
Yeah.
liqueur. They'll last a while. Well, at least I know where to go if I need something. All right. We had 3 dashes of the Bitter Cube bitters, half an ounce of Verna, half an ounce of St. George Spiced Pear Liqueur. I'm also going to pour in a half an ounce of our Cokie Sweet Vermouth. And then for the rye whiskey, I'm going to be pouring in just a standard amount, 2 ounces. So 2 ounces of the Willet rye whiskey or the rye whiskey of your choice. All right. That's all the ingredients of this Manhattan. We'll get some more ice and we'll give this one a stir. All right. Same here, we'll give it a stir for a few seconds until the bottom of that mixing glass feels nice and frosty. All right, I have another coupe glass that I've prepared with a Luxardo cherry on the bottom. And Trenton, I can't find my strainer.
It's in the...
It's in the other one. Thanks, Trenton. Well, I don't know what I'd do without Trenton. I just don't know what I'd do. Give this one a pour. Nice. Look at that wash line, Trenton.
Beautiful.
That's professional. That's what that is. You ready to taste this? You're going to taste this one.
All right.
Even if we have to hand the glass, that's what we're going to do. Because it's pretty good. That's pretty nice, too.
Oh.
What do you think of that, my drinking buddy? That's some good stuff right there. You get a little bit out of Morrow for sure, but boy, the star of the show, in my opinion, since I toned down Trenton that rye whiskey just a little bit, it's more of a layered flavor in this one. My standard Manhattan is, you know, kind of punch you in the face with some rye whiskey, which I like, but this one here, it's a little bit more balanced. You know, the sweet vermouth is there. The rye whiskeys, you can feel it in there. You can taste the bite. You can get the bite out of it. But I think for me, the star of the show is that spiced pear liqueur. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's just delicious. So, do you think of a name?
Nope.
Me either. Hey, if you think of a name for this Manhattan, let us know, because I think I'm going to keep it in rotation. What do you think, bud?
I think that's a good idea.
All right. That's all I have for you today. Hey, man. Drinking buddy, thanks for including us into this Build Your Own Manhattan Challenge. If you haven't looked at his YouTube channel, he's a good guy and he has some great content. Just give it a look. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly, and we'll see you next time right down here with me in the good old basement bourbon bar. See you later.